Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna be doing my hair of like a 50s style with a little swoop or whatever it's called. So it's actually pretty easy. Most of the time I just use a curling iron. I use a comb, a brush, and you can use mousse or gel or anything to like make your hair whole. Once it's all brushed nicely, I'm gonna be curling my hair. But the secret is that you want to curl everything in the same direction. So right here I'm just fixing my side part to make sure that it's looking nice and neat. Right here I had already sectioned my hair in half, and then I'm gonna be curling all my hair to my right side since that's just the way that I prefer. Now that I did the bottom half, I'm just gonna grab some mousse, a little bit, not too much. And I'm just gonna put that throughout the whole hair so it can, not fall apart. Okay, so I put this on in a little loose scrunchie. And now when it comes to the top part of my hair, I like to grab some blowout product, like for blowouts. I have this one right now, and I just like this because I feel like it keeps the top neat, like all these flyaways and stuff. So I'm just gonna put some on the roots. Okay, whatever I have left, I'll just, spread it around. I found that this works better for me because it doesn't give you like once it dries up, it doesn't give you like that greasy effect, other products do. Now I'm curling the top of my hair the same direction that I did to the rest, which would be my right. So you guys see this little strand of hair I'm holding up? Yeah, we're gonna come back to that at the end. Meanwhile, I'm gonna start on the other half of my hair. Once again, I'm curling all my hair to the same direction, which was to my right side. So just like that other part that I left out, I'm gonna be leaving out the other front part as well, and we will come back to it. Right now it just looks, like a regular curled hair. The reason I like to leave these parts out is because those are the main things that make up the hairstyle. So with this part, I like that part to be super laid back. So I grab you could grab your gel, hair pomade, hair grease, whatever you like to use. And then this is where you go, you flatten it out. So I just grab it like this, put as much as you want right here, just flatten it out. I like to add it like all the way down, like where my ear is. Okay. I know it looks crazy right now. Okay, so once that's done, you comb it back. And this is the part where you can use a bobby pin, so it can help you. Okay, so now this part of hair right here, the one that you didn't curl, or whichever one's come, I guess. Basically the whole corner right here, you want it curled frontwards, which I believe we did, but I'm gonna do it again so it could be super, like noticeable. To do it all the way to the top. Just don't burn yourself. And the short one, the one I didn't curl earlier. So this one you do it as much as you can. See the little curl, so I just Press it back again. Don't brush it all the way. Hold it. Okay. It's gonna look better, I promise. So now that that's done, you can just leave it so it can dry. And then you start working on this side. So this part, I like to tease it. I can't find my teasing brush, but I'm just gonna use a rat tail comb to tease it a little bit. I only go one way because I feel like when you go like that, up and down, it like rips my hair. This part I'm gonna tease a little bit less because since it's the front part, I don't want it to look too crazy. So now that that's done, is when you're gonna grab your product. For this part, I prefer hairspray, but I can't find it, so I'm just gonna use the same thing again. So using my fingertips, I would just be spreading it all over the front part of my hair, like the front corner. Keep in mind that for this hairstyle, your hands mold it. Now that you got the amount you want, you're gonna grab your comb again. Do it super lightly because you don't want to mess up what you just teased. I like to just put my hand right here and start brushing your hair down. You can already see something, you know, being done. So with this area, I like to grab only like the front, what would be like your bangs. But this time, I'm gonna curl it forward. So for this part, it's best to curl it as closest as you possibly can. So now that's done, you can just basically put your hand under again. I feel like the magic to this part is like your hand, you know. So here I'm just playing around with my hair until it's to my liking. If you feel like you need to tease it up a little bit more, you can go ahead and do so. I feel like I'm pretty happy with it looking this way. Again, just use your hand. You just play with it until you get your desired result. I'm gonna get a brush. I have a little medium brush. You just brush out your whole entire hair. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing for this side. Here is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed my video.